Hello, Andy. Every business begins with great courage. A small effort, a small step, a small beginning. Across Andhra Pradesh, thousands of women have started small businesses through their hard work and determination and are turning their dreams into reality. Over time, these businesses grow, they build trust, they generate income, and these businesses become a strong support for their families. But the journey from a stable business to a growing enterprise often requires the right structure, guidance, and support. That is why we are bringing Sampannakari to you, a structured growth platform designed to support existing businesses in Andhra Pradesh that are already established and generating income grow to the next level. This program is not for starting a new business. It is designed for enterprises that are already running and are ready to expand further. Sampannakari is primarily designed for SHD-linked enterprises that are ready to scale their operations. These enterprises may include individual enterprises, a business run by one SHG woman or a business run by her family members. Group enterprises, businesses run collectively by members of a self-help group. These enterprises must already be generating revenue and are looking to expand their business operations. Your enterprise can apply if it meets the following criteria. The enterprise must be either established by an SHG woman or managed by an SHG woman or owned by an SHG woman's family member. It must be linked to an active SHG member. The SHG member should be registered in the SHG groups at least before 1 year and actively participating in the SHG meetings. The enterprise must be operational for at least 2 years. The enterprise must have an annual revenue of minimum 12 lakhs for individual enterprises, minimum 15 lakhs for group enterprises. The enterprise must operate in the manufacturing or service sectors. Enterprises engaged in primary agriculture, pure trading, or NGO activities are not eligible. The objective of the Sampannakari program is clear: to help enterprises achieve sustained business growth. The program aims to support enterprises in reaching at least 15% annual revenue growth while strengthening business systems, operational efficiency, and market access. The Sampannakari journey takes place through 3 structured phases. Phase 1 begins with the call for applications. Eligible enterprises from across Andhra Pradesh can submit their applications to participate in the program. To apply, you can visit the application link on the iimvfield.com/Sampannakari website and fill in your details. In Phase 2, applications are carefully reviewed. The business level, opportunities, and growth potential of the enterprises are evaluated. From the applications received, around 500 enterprises will be shortlisted. These 500 enterprises will undergo ground validation where the data submitted and the business revenue will be evaluated, and also the enterprise readiness and growth potential will be verified carefully. After further evaluation, 250 enterprises will move to the next stage. The shortlisted 250 enterprises then participate in a capacity building phase. This includes boot camps, workshops, and mentorship sessions that help entrepreneurs refine their business strategies and prepare detailed business plans. At the end of this stage, enterprises present their business plans before a committee in the Challenge Fund competition. From this competition, the top 150 SHG enterprises will be selected and will move to the final stage, incubation. The selected 150 enterprises enter the final stage, structured incubation. For at least 18 months, these enterprises receive continuous guidance and support to scale their businesses. During this stage, enterprises will receive support in the following ways: mentorship from experienced business experts. Experts with industry experience will guide entrepreneurs on how to grow their business, overcome challenges, and use new opportunities effectively. Business training programs. Special training sessions will be conducted on topics such as business planning, marketing, branding, financial management, and business expansion. Access to new markets. Enterprises will be connected to new markets, buyers, and institutions to help span sales opportunities. Resources support. Support will be provided to improve operational processes, planning and management practices through startup kit and tools required. Business networks and collaborations. Entrepreneurs will be connected to other businesses, industry experts, and organizations, creating opportunities for partnerships and collaboration. Sampannkari also provides financial support to help enterprises invest in their growth. Selected enterprises may receive grants up to 15 lakh rupees. These grants can support investments in machinery, infrastructure, and business expansion. In addition, enterprises may also receive soft loan support depending on their business requirements. Sampannkari is executed by IIM V-Field, the incubation and startup hub of the Indian Institute of Management, Visakhapatnam. The program is delivered in collaboration with Ministry of Rural Development, Government of India, under the DAY NRLM program and Society for Elimination of Rural Poverty, SERP, Government of Andhra Pradesh. Through this collaboration, government institutions and a leading academic institution like IIM Visakhapatnam are working together to support the growth of rural women-led enterprises. Together, these institutions bring expertise in enterprise development, livelihood missions, and structured incubation support. Your enterprise has already taken root. Now it is time to help it grow further. Only the top 150 SAG enterprises will be selected for this journey. Apply before 15th April 2026. Visit iimvfield.com/Sampannkari for more information about the program. For any support, call or WhatsApp on our helpline number +91 90301 08601 or email samp@iimv.ac.in.